Okay, so let's talk about smart lists. Smart lists are ways to segment your database and your CRM and be able to save, filtered segmented data to use for future messaging. I love smart lists. They're a great way to really quickly grab prospects, find opportunities, and be able to quickly do some marketing out to different segments in your list. So how do you do them? How do you create them? Well, first off, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this More Filters button, and we got to segment the list that we want. So let's say we want to build a smart list of all of our past customers. Well, since we've got tags in here of past customers, what we could do is we could search by tag. So I would go through and find tag, and tag is past customers. So see this segmented down to past customers. Well, now I could click this little plus button here and type in past customers and click save. All right, so now you'll notice that up here, instead of just all, we have a tab for past customers, and it's got all those past customers saved. Whenever someone gets the tag of past customers, they'll be added to this list. And so this is a great way to really keep track of people and add to your smart list and so forth in the future. So if we go back to all, now let's create a list of all of our prospects. So let's search again. We'll do by tag again. And this time we're going to do prospects. As you can see, it identified 2 people. We'll click the plus button and we'll call this prospects. And now anytime someone gets added into the CRM and we add the tag prospect, they'll get added to this list as well. So now here's what you can do. Now that we have a smart list created, what we could do is we're going in the CRM. Let's say we want to send a discount to prospects and get them to go ahead and buy from us. Well, what we could do is we could just go in, select prospects. Here they all are. And we click send a text message. Oops, got to select our records first. Send a text message, and we can quickly segment that list to just the prospects. If we want to send out a past appreciation email or something, we could just go in, select past customers, select it. Now we could send out a quick email to all of our past customers. So you get the idea. You can segment your lists and break them down, create different segments for different things. But really, it's all about filters. Just filtering the data, finding what information would be important to you and how you can use that in smart lists. So maybe you want to segment all the people that are in the state of Kentucky. Well, you could go and find state on here and select that and type Kentucky, and it would filter everybody that's in Kentucky. Then you can save that as a smart list. Now you can go after just people in Kentucky. There's all kinds of different filters you can use to segment people. You can do it by offers if they've bought specific products. You can do it by pipeline stage. If you're using the pipelines in your business, you could really segment all the people that are prospects or that had an issue resolved or didn't have an issue resolved or had everybody that scheduled appointments with you. You could really go through these and find really, really cool ways of segmenting your audience and being able to store them for quick reference when you need them. So smart lists are awesome. I strongly recommend you use them. They're very fun, and you'll be glad that you did build a lot of smart lists to be able to quickly segment. So you're not having to search and filter every single time you want to grab that group of people that you're commonly reaching out to.